welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for stopping by. As you can see, I'm back with another wig making tutorial. Okay guys, I'm going to make a hairband wig, and this video is a collaboration video. Yes, I'm collaborating with Mark Style channel. Please guys, check her out and see what she have to share with you. She does amazing and informative videos on natural hair, 4C natural hair. Okay, so today we are collaborating together and I'm going to make a coily wig. Okay, for my coily wig, I'll be making use of this expression multi hair. Okay, so please guys, after watching this video, feel free to check our channel out to see what she have to share with you guys. Okay, for this hairstyle, this is the hair I'll be using. This is how it looks like. Okay, so continue watching to see how I'm going to fold the curls in this hairstyle, from this hair. Sorry, if you want a fuller look, you make use of 2 packs of this. Okay, so now I'm going to, for the back section, I'm going to cut this into 2. Cut this into 2 for the back section, like this. Then I will separate it just like this. You see? Like this. So I'll separate one section into 3. After cutting it into 2, then I'll go ahead and separate one section into 3 like this. As you can see, this is the other section. Go ahead and separate it into 3 just like this. Very simple to separate. Okay, here we go. So that's how I'm going to achieve my curls. You can see how coily it is. So for the back section, I'll cut it into 2. Then for the front section, I'll just leave it like this and separate it into 3, as like the way I did the other one. So guys, continue watching to see how I achieve this wig.
One day No, 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 no. 10 feet over, say I'm always up too high. Wish you could take me back. You're standing there with.
This is the final look of my short coily wig. As you can see, I ended up cutting the hair into the same length. At the beginning, I said I would use the long one in the front and the shorter at the back, but I didn't do it like that again. I ended up cutting it into two, the same length with the back and the front, because I was looking for a short look. Okay, if I use a longer one in the front, I'll end up trimming off a lot. So I cut it into the same length. This is the final look. Short coily hairband wig. Very simple and coily, you can see. Very beautiful and shiny. Okay, my wig cap came with a black band, so you can accessorize it with any band, colorful band of your choice, like these ones. Okay, and to beautify it more, I'll show a picture of these ones at the end of the video. Okay, thank you all for watching to this point. Please guys, let's head over to HAIRSTYLES channel to see the type of coily hair she's installing on our 4C natural hair. Okay, thank you all for watching. Remember to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also turn on your notification bell. Okay, till I come your way next time, stay blessed and bye bye.